What? Waiting, waiting. Come. Come, 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 come. Come. Good morning, sunflower. Beautiful morning. Green onions. And look guys, more coming. So I have this utong string bean sitaw. I really sweat. Wow. This weather is really different. Very, very humid. Oh, wow. It's like I am taking a bath. So I will go inside now, guys. The weather not good for me. Oh, there you go. Okay, thank you, thank you. I'm done. Okay, next. I need a good merienda for what I did today. Oh, I'm so good. I made it. Okay, see you there at the kitchen and I will make something, a snack. Hi everyone. So, like what I said earlier, I will be making merienda. A good merienda reward for myself because I made it. If you are wondering what is that, guys, well, I worked for my green card renewal. So, that bothers me long time already because I cannot do it on paper. I cannot print the right way. And so today I decided to do it file online. And guys, I made it. It took me for over an hour. Oh, imagine that versus I was stressing myself for how many months, almost a year. I'm trying to look, research on how to file, how to renew. Oh my God. And it wasn't that hard. Yes, guys, if you will renew your green card soon, uh, better do it online. It's easier. Easier, they said more safer. And in there, they will check your form immediately. So you will know what's wrong. You can correct it. So I need to treat myself. Oh, by the way, what I am making today for merienda, looking forward to turon. Yes, Filipino merienda. Even hubby is looking forward to this already. So I bought the cooking banana, Filipino banana, at Waipahu Filipino store. So I will slice in half. There. I have the wrapper. Brush with vanilla extract. Then sugar. Spread lang na ganyan. Half of the cooking banana. Siyempre, lalagyan din sa ibabaw or top. Ayan. And then, babalutin lang natin yung banana. Wrap the banana. Roll carefully, and then in here at the end or edge of the wrapper, wet with water to seal. So, ito yung lumpia banana or turon. Ayan, nagpa-fry na ako ng banana turon. Mainit na yung mantika. Turon po kayo dyan. Merienda, merienda. Oh, may I get the plate? Wow, naaamoy. Bango-bango. I put stick like this so that even if it's hot, you can eat. Tomorrow again. One more. Hi everyone, it's cooking time. I will make simple dishes. Actually, it's two. So first, this one are pork spare ribs, and then the other one will be vegetables. I can say it will be very Filipino, especially it will be very Ilocano. So these are the dishes we usually eat in Ilocos. So this is the pork spare ribs I cut and then properly washed. I will add, of course, I have here water or yung tubig. So enough to cover the pork spare ribs. I will boil this until tender. It's very simple. Actually, the ingredients are only pork spare ribs, water, crushed garlic, and a little bit of salt. So, eto na yung garlic. Then, salt to taste. And now, I will cover and see you again later, guys. Yesterday, we went to Waipahu, two different Filipino stores, and I bought this one. Are you familiar with this kind of vegetables or leafy vegetables? We call this in Ilocos saluyot, or in English it's something like jutes. So I will cook this one. So how do you clean the saluyot or jutes? You just detach the leaves like this. Of course, do not include the one with holes. So pick the good leaves like that. I really miss Ilocano dish. So I will be cooking this one with crushed garlic, little bit of soy sauce, and the sukang Iloco vinegar or the black vinegar para ma-feel ko na very Ilocano yung aking dish. I will use the sukang Iloco, the vinegar made from Ilocos. Nakakamiss talaga ang hometown ko. I wish I can go home soon. And finally, I'm done cleaning the saluyot. Next, I will also add just a little bit of this one. It's a green chili pepper, but it's the sweet one. So it's not spicy. For this one, I will just remove or no, cut a little bit of the tip like that. Kung saan pinitas yung chili. Ayan siya. Ganyan lang. I also have here, I think, 3 or 4 pieces of the long and skinny eggplant. Ayan siya. So, for now, alisin ko lang muna yung tangkay niya or the head because I'm still cooking the pork ribs, so it might take long time for me to cook this one. Do not slice or cut early because this one will turn into brownish. So, later na lang. Meanwhile, eto muna ang alisin ko yung head niya. Okay, so I will be needing maybe 4 cloves. Masarap yung, by the way, we call this adobong saluyot, sili at talong. Masarap yung adobong saluyot pag madaming garlic. So, I will put 4 cloves since the garlics are big. Crush lang yung garlic para madaling alisin yung skin. Yan. Alisin yung skin. Mainit. I don't have much video outside this morning, guys, because we don't have trade winds. Instead, we have the so-called Kona winds, which is hot, humid, and the vogue. So, after removing the skin, I will wash. Meron na din ako ditong small container na paglalagyan. So, after washing, cut. Yan siya, lagay sa small container. And then, I might as well put 1 bay leaf since madami akong supply ng bay leaves from the garden. So, maglalagay ako ng isang malaking dahon ng laurel. Ayan siya. So, lagay natin dyan. And I'm still waiting for the pork ribs. Smells good. You smell something? Hungry already? Not yet. Not yet time for dinner. Bango-bango. Bango-bango naman. We call this in Ilocos kinirog nga karne. Okay guys, so I'm done cooking the pork spare ribs. And like what I said earlier, I will be using the same pot. This is the secret in my second dish. This kind. Those that got stuck, the meat, it will make my second dish very tasty. So, let's start. I have here the eggplant soaked in water, the garlic, bay leaves, sweet chili pepper. I will be needing little bit of water. Ito yung saluyot. So, lalagay ko muna siya. Hindi pa naka-on yung stove. And then, lalagay ko din yung chili. And then, this is the Sukang Iloco black vinegar from Ilocos. So it's made from sugarcane. I will put approximately maybe 4 tablespoons of the vinegar. 3, 4. Ayan. Tansya-tansya tayo. And then, I will also use a little bit of Filipino soy sauce. For this one, maybe 1 to 2 tablespoons. That's 1, maybe 2. There you go. Next, I will add the crushed garlic. Then the bay leaves. Then I will add a little bit of water. Takpan lang natin. Eto na siya. Boiling. Kumukulo-kulo. Wow. Amoy na amoy yung suka. I can smell the vinegar. Smells so good. Now, let me add the eggplant. Mix ng konti. Mga kapwa Ilocano, kaway-kaway naman dyan. Okay, so I will cover and when I come back, it will be cooked already. Okay, mukhang luto na yung aking saluyot adobo with talong and sweet chili. Oh wow, okay na siya. Taste test tayo. Syempre, masarap. Wow. Okay, so turn off the stove and kainan na guys. See you there in the table. Let's go. Okay, so this is dinner. Look at my saluyot, talong, and sweet chili adobo. Ayan siya guys. Oh, na-miss ko talaga to. Next, this is the pork spare ribs. Ayan siya guys. Medyo brownish siya, crispy. So, napakasimple lang ang dinner for tonight. Ayan sila. Okay guys, so I'm done cooking and we are ready for dinner. So, mahalo again for watching. For those who are still new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And to my regular viewers, supporters, and friends, thank you very much sa palaging panonood. And so, don't forget to like, you can share my video and put your comments down below. Kasi po, binabasa ko po yung mga comments ninyo. Please don't forget to subscribe. It will greatly help me and my small channel grow. So, kita-kits next time.